So good evening on and learners who's gathered here. So sir, now we are going to debut or going to perform a skit, sir, based on a cricket game. So it's based on a game, sir. Here myself and Nitika is going to narrate each and every sequences, and Mitra and Kalpita is going to mime act, sir. Some sequence we are going to dub also, sir. Some sequence they are going to mime act. We'll just narrate the sequence alone, sir, and let Nitika will come. Come on.
First sequence, we will do meeting and we are narrators and they are mind actors.
Mime, M-I-M-E, mime actors.
Mitra guys, politicians doctor,
Daughter.
and Kalpita guys
Down person, a very poor person's daughter. Dumb person's daughter. Okay. Nice. Okay, we get the script. Okay.
So shall I say the first sequence?
Sure.
So first sequence is, sir, these both are the going to meet, sir. So Kalpita is came from other states, sir, and Mitra is coming from other states, sir. They are just meeting in their ground, sir, and they'll have a communication between them, sir. Here we are going to dub it, sir. Ritika will dub whatever Mitra says. She's going to repeat it, sir, and I'm going to dub for Kalpita, sir.
Right. So they are going to give mime narration, that is mime narration, which means translating will be done by Kirtana and Nitika, while mime acting will be done by Kalpita and Mitra.
Sir, mind acting means what, sir?
Mime acting means without any words you are acting through body actions. செய்கைகளை மட்டும் புரிய வைக்கிறது தான் மைம். தட்ஸ் மைம் ஆக்டிங். உன்னோடதுலேயும் நீ அதுதான் செய்ய போகிற. நீயும் ஒரு மைம் ஆக்டர். ஓகே? Right. Good. I give 50 points for Chandan for taking the curiosity to ask questions. Yeah, you can start.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine.
What about?
We can cricket practice.
Well, what about you?
Okay.
Time for a practice?
4 o'clock.
Okay. I'll take the rest and I'll take my batting. Matches. We are going to play matches in 15. So first sequence.
Well done.
So second sequence is, sir, there is an announcement, sir, as match is going to start, sir. Before match starts, they'll keep a selection, sir. There are 3 sort of selections, sir. First is batting, bowling and wicket keeper selection, sir. They are just going to act it, sir. Here, we both will also be come on to a mind, sir. Because 2 persons cannot be acting, sir. So we'll involve in that practice also, sir.
Right.
First is shuttle running.
Okay.
Shuttle run means which we should run 5 times with bat.
Okay. Right. Take a bat.
Is that the
Yes, you can start.
3, 2, 1,
Wait.
start. 3, 2, 1, start.
So we are given to understand that both the players are practicing Shuttle running, which is important for cricket.
So, so, so here the least count is a dumb person, sir. So now I'm going to announce the results, sir. The person who has won this shuttle run is Mitra. So I congratulate her. We'll go for the second one that Nitika will announce it.
One is batting.
Okay.
So where we both will put a ball to each of them, sir, particular person. Myself will put for Kalpita, sir. Nitika will put for Mitra, sir. And they need to beat 5 times, sir. Then we'll announce the result, sir. And last is we'll announce.
Right. Okay.
Sir, this ball or the red ocean's ball, sir?
This ball is fine. அங்கே இல்லைங்க கேட்டு கிட்ட. How much for each? 5.
5, sir.
At last, after things are over, then you and Kalpita can give a finishing touch.
Okay.
You can speak. Alright, 5. 5 over, right?
Yes, sir. Last one.
Right, so far you have taken 7.5 minutes. Yeah. Nitika, you are announcing the second context results. Yeah.
The results are Kalpita Akka is winner.
Okay, alright.
Sir,
Last bowling practice.
Okay.
Wicket keeping.
Okay. So we saw running practice, we saw batting practice, and now wicket keeping practice.
So 5 each, sir.
Yes. செக் பண்ணு விக்கெட் கீப்பிங்கில் வந்து செக் பண்ணி 1 பவுன்ஸில் பிடிக்கிறது தான் முக்கியம். இதே ஒரு கான்டெஸ்ட்டாக வைக்கலாம் போல் இருக்கு நாளையில். Okay.
yes, sir, என்னோட கப் தான் sir.
3, 2, 1 go.
So Vyaga is going to announce those who are going for finals, sir. So yeah, Mitra and Kalpita were then 2:2, sir. So is our way to confirm the finals, sir. Mitra and Kalpita is going for the finals, sir. And then next sequence, sir. Next sequence is that the matches, sir. So they are just going to play a matches, sir. Each member contain a 1 over, sir. So each will play for 1 over, sir. And the result is the sequence is just understood.
Alright, okay, fine. கார் ஷெட் லைட் போட்டு விடுங்க.
You are going to
Three, 2, 1, go. Now what's the next sequence here? Huh?
So the man of the match is also we are just going to announce it, sir. So the man of the match is given by Mitra, sir. She in every tournament she scored a low seconds also, sir. In this match also the running the seconds and the matches the thing which she has selected is slows than Kalpita, sir. So we are just selecting her, sir. The man of the match this goes to him.
So good to see a person who is dumb winning such a game.
Sir, the politician's daughter, sir.
I see.
So next sequence is that the Kalpita came to know the truth beyond that, sir, and she's keeping on arguing and she's just gaining the truth from me, sir. Then after that, sir, this both will have some enmity, sir, and so after hearing this, Kalpita have some emotions, sir. That is also is going to be.
What? You can speak.
No, she is only the. No, I have the list. No, I have the list. Wait, you both stop it.
I was the umpire. I conducted the match and she was the winner.
No, I have the list. I have connected the matches. Stop. I'm just being like.
No.
stop.
The administrator is speaking and you are a co-player. You are not supposed to speak. See, if you want to have a separate discussion with the administrator, you can speak. But as an umpire, I would like to declare that she deserves, and she is the man, she is the woman of the match. So you can. What is she asking? What list is she asking?
So it's the timing list.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know why this female is giving a bit of this kind of a struggle to all the board. Okay.
Only one match, right? Remaining all she's. Yes, I have a complete list. No, what you see is just a call.
Yeah, even I agree with that point. You have the right to remain silent. Don't worry, you have won the match and you have got the man of the match trophy. See? Oh, okay. Right, next.
So the emotions, sir. Let me say the emotions, sir. So emotions, sir. She's so fierce. So what is going to happen next? So then, sir, she's bit angry of the person me, sir, and then the back of me who is all the person, the crew of the crew of the members, sir. These two emotions is just facing it, sir. The next sequence is any of you just came to know it, sir. So you're just also just arguing and you're just also just making them to calm down, sir. The both enmity begins.
I am the.
Umpire, sir, and you're just psychologist person, sir.
So, am I acting as a teacher or that?
Good guys.
What should I make you understand?
Sir, I am the actual winner, sir. You feel like you are so down now, sir, and you want to prove something now, sir. So you take me.
So, I'm acting as the emotional.
Yes, sir. And you are taking me as an example, and you are ready to achieve whatever you want, sir.
So then you just came to know that I was influenced by a politician. They gave some money to me, sir, and to make a winner of a daughter to be a winner, sir. So you just know, you just came to know that, sir. You just revealing this to everyone.
So, you have any specific name for yourself here? This.
Myself. No, sir. Same.
Okay. So, we'll start. 3, 2, 1, go. You are Miss Katie.
Yes, sir.
You know Green Park Hotel?
Yes.
You've been into Green Park Hotel?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, you are a regular customer of Green Park Hotel, but these days you are a very attached customer to Green Park Hotel. And one of the administrators of Green Park Hotel has seen you along with the politician having a discussion of trading, and he was offering you some money, suitcases of money and all that.
That's your father.
So that's your father now? Yeah. Oh, so you're so happy. You're so happy that I'm speaking about your father, and I'm letting everybody know about the contact that Oh, good. Thank you, thank you. I'll meet you later. I'll meet you later, man. I'll meet you. Ms. Kirtana, usually you used to sit along with the sports coaches and other teams managers for official discussions, and you are a very good inspiration for lots of lady sports icons. But these days you have become a kind of an ordinary person. The moment you sat in the Green Park Hotel, signed an agreement with that kind of a politician exclusively to make his daughter win. His daughter win. She has to speak. She has to speak. Police department is backing me up, so she has to speak. You have to confess either, or you will have to arrange a rematch for them.
So first I like to say, sir, it's a personal meeting, sir. And then I didn't make any
What does personal meeting have to do with 500 rupees stamp paper signing? So you have personal meeting with stamp papers all the time? If you have a personal meeting along with your relatives, if you have personal meeting along with your brothers and sisters, will you always have 500 rupees stamp paper signatures? We have got the copies and evidence. It is there. It is there in the dressing room. Okay? So if we go there, we have set up some copies. Could you explain your stand?
So it's not like each and every personal meeting is doing with signing with a stamp paper, sir.
Oh, see it for yourself. Miss Udaya Kirtana. That's the sign, right? So you have the U at south corner and you have the K at west corner. That's how you always sign. Do you see this? Mr. Politician's daughter, do you see this? So this is where the mistake has been committed. And you are. And then you okay,
No, okay.
So this is where the mistake is committed. So would you like to explain your stand, Ms. Kirtana?
So yeah, after this I couldn't every time reply to you, sir, because you have some evidence, sir. I'll come for this.
You confess that, and we need a rematch for this deserving athlete. You have to set it up. Because as far as I am concerned, we people are considering her as a very big inspiration. Because though a person has got big mouth like you, even those people are not able to win matches these days. She's a dumb person, and besides her physical challenges, she has won this match and she has taken the political wins. As a matter of fact, she is also innocent. She is now regretting that her father has made her in that particular act. Am I right? So you are regretting, right? So then talk to Kalpita. So surrender your victory to her. Ma'am? By the way, can you give that to me, please? No. So, Ms. Kalpita, we actually take you as an example. You see, fighting for a match is not only a simple thing, but you fought also for injustice. So this cup has to go to the deserving. And we really thank you for appreciating this gesture. And you better sit your father down and give him some big celebrations. Thank you. Hey, that's sequence. Okay, now let us. Let us all listen. Now that the mouths of Kalpita and Mitra are unzipped, so Kirtana did a great job in narration. Let us all give a big hand for Kirtana. So, as the last part, let us listen to the four people's conclusion.
So I would like to conclude now. So now we have seen that a politician's daughter and a dumb person were fighting, and finally the justice won. So wherever you go and wherever you are, you be true to yourself and
Focus, otherwise you will get blasted.
focus on what you are doing and be true to yourself. Apart from being passionate towards the work you are doing, be humble and polite to everyone who are around you, and be honest. That is the only thing you can do for yourself. And be happy with whatever you have. So now you have saw a dumb person winning a match. Even a dumb person can do and show their talent to the outer world. We are all blessed with whatever we have. So be thankful and be truthful to yourself. And I would like Mitra to say.
Good conclusion.
Well done, Kalpita.
So, sir, life is all about truth, nobility, and the way we behave with others, sir, and also the behavior that we.
Nobleness.
Sir?
Nobleness.
Nobleness, sir, and the behavior that we are, how we are behaving with each and every person whom we are meeting, sir. And it's all about being an all-rounder, sir. From the sports activities to the normal ethics and everything is merged under this life, sir. And also we have to be true to ourselves, sir. So if we are true to ourselves, we will definitely gain a profit. That is the main outcome of our life, sir. Living in the self, sir. If we are honest to ourselves and if we are honest mainly to others, sir, and mainly to our parents, then definitely that would happen, sir. And in this skit, you must have seen in each and every sequence, there was a political influence to the sports coach, sir. So that was really bad about the politician, and that's why a lot of chaos arose and that led to a lot of problems in the friendship, and almost the friendship was about to be broken, but within that the psychologist entered and he motivated and finally he solved the problem, sir. So it's all about understanding each other, sir. So that's the main outcome of this script, sir.
Right, so you emerged as even the psychologist takes the dumb athlete as an inspiration. And towards the end, he says to Kalpita that even I'm getting inspired by you. So you knitted the story well on that manner. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Having said that, why did you give so much of importance to political exploitation, and why did you give so much of importance that the dumb people are being underrated and they are put down to the I mean, it's a good thing, but you need to justify why you have given so much of importance for that.
Sir, this is all happening in this world already currently, sir. And because of the political influence, sir, that instead of the dumb person, sir, the talented person are getting exploited, sir. So here in this case, sir, as Kalpita thought, idea was all about physically challenged people and the struggles that they face, sir. It is all merged in that way, sir. But in reality, sir, it's all about the talented people getting exploited,
Right.
and that's why we have come with this idea, sir.
Okay. Kirtana, you can finish.
I will give this.
Sir, before that, Nitika will have some conclusion. Come on.
In this tournament, dumb people and politicians were fighting in a sports field.
What did you learn from this exercise, Nitika?
The politicians is planning to grow his politics by this.
Super. Good job, Nitika.
Okay. Good job, Nitika. You can finish, Kirtana.
So the main reason which we thought to bring this because so in each and every cases, if we take an example of education, sir, sports and food items, so each and everything, sir, politics is there. So if we take for example, so for bringing some things to roads and they are just buying it, sir. So for example, some business from jobs. So each and everything politics is there, sir. For single matters in this earth, politics is there, sir. I need that to come up from the youngsters, sir. So because nowadays the youngsters are seeing that, and if they grow up, if they are some other minister, for example, if they are become as a ministers or some other persons in higher official as a government employee, sir, they need to stop this. So if they aware of this all the things which has happened behind it, it's not friends, sir, it's just behind it, sir. So if they all can stop this only, they can able to bring some beautiful world, sir. Now is also it's good, sir, but the small corrections will make this I think a persons or a youngsters be so happy and peaceful, sir. Then this what I learned from this because mainly what I heard and what I see is sports, sir. The main thing is sports, sir, because the sports persons or the talented candidates, they are just getting destroyed as our teammates said, sir, because our opponent or their friends or some other circles are there, maybe they are ministers or the ministers of the particular state or some other persons or politic persons, not only the ministers, sir, like MLAs, MPs, son or daughter is being a friendship with him, sir. Somehow they just came to know that he's so talented, so he'll be more, he'll come more about our son, sir, or son or daughter, sir. So just does influence their power, sir. I'd like to know to every youngsters that stop this, sir, and they need to concentrate whatever the talent, sir.
Highlight only the challenge.
So because if someone demotivates, so for example, if, I just demotivating someone, sir, they just take the negative thing first than the positive. If I demotivated someone, they just think that why she's demotivating. They will not think that why she's demotivating, even though I done some positive things, sir.
Apply what I'm saying.
So they will not think that even though I just done some positive things, even though I just won this match, but why she is demotivating that, sir. So that main thing, they need not even concentrate on the negative things, sir. They need to concentrate on the positive thing. Even the friend circles or their relatives or their family members is demotivated, he or she, for any other particular reason, there will be a corner where she has some positive things, sir. That she need to concentrate on it and she need to develop that thing, sir.
Well done. Fantastic explanation. You are
Super kidnapper.
Thank you.
You came. Right. Okay. Good job. So that's it.
Yes.
Right. Well done, Kirtana.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What do
Thank you, Hafiz. Thank you, sir.